Hello guys, so in this video we will see about the functionality of our module, that is point of sale multi-currency. Okay, so basically the purpose, or say the use of the module is that while doing the payment for point of sale order, then if a customer wants to pay some amount, some rest of the amount in some another currency, let's say US dollars, and some another amounts in, let's say, euro or Saudi riyals or INR currency, right? So to manage one payment of one point of sale order in different currencies, we have made this module. So first of all, let me show you that I have already enabled currency over here. So let me just go to the currencies. Okay, and let me show it to you that I have activated these currencies: Australian dollars, euro, Indian rupees, Saudi riyals, and United States dollar. Okay, and when we will also go for point of sale general configuration, let me go to settings. It is session wise configuration. So when I will go to multi currency over here, I have already defined these all activated currencies in the configuration. So these are basically prerequisites before using the module. Okay, now let me go to point of sale and let me show it to you how this module is working. Okay, so I have opened point of sale. All right, I will just select some of these products over here. Let me select customer. So you can see total is $212.40. Okay, so let me go for payment. All right, now you will be able to see that multi-currency option is available over here while doing the payment of this point of sale order. So I will also select invoice, and I will also select multi-currency. So you will be able to see that the selected currency is Australian dollars. So if you want to change this currency, then based on automatically currency rates, this particular amount will be automatically get changed. Okay, so if you guys are defining this module in the community edition, then you will have to define the particular currency rates also. And if you are using enterprise edition, then based on automatically currency rates updates functionality given, you will be able to automate these currency rates accordingly as well. So you will be able to see that based on these currency conversion rates, this figure is coming here. So I am doing this amount, some of the amount, let's say 50, and we'll keep add. So you can see that. Now again I will go to multi currency. You can see the remaining amount is this. Okay, so I will go over here. I am selecting any another currency, let's say Indian rupees. So I will go over here and let's say doing let's say 5,000 of payments over here. Okay, this amount is also get changed accordingly based on the currency rates. I am going with Saudi riyals, and let's say 200 Saudi riyals. Okay, added, and 54.27. Now I am going with US dollars and doing $50 payment. And now the rest of the payment I will do in, let's say, Australian dollars. Okay, so I have done all the payments, and you can see remaining amount is 0. Now the summary of these payments based on different currencies, these all are coming over here. Okay, now I will click on validate. All right, so you will be able to see that an order is also generated and invoice is also generated over here. And you will be able to see that in point of sale receipt also, these all currencies with related transactions is coming over here. You will be able to see all these figures. Okay, and related amount over here. Okay, now let me just go at backend side when this point of sale order is arrived. So let me just go there and show it to you how from the backend side also you will be able to see the result, the currency summary also. So let me go to point of sale orders and let me open this product. Okay, now you will be able to see this product is here, the invoice is here, and let me go to payments. So you will be able to see based on which amount, how much payment is given. You will be able to see all the payment summary over here with related date, and this and This is also a currency summary is given on the point of sale order. Okay. Okay, so this is sales order, and when I will go to invoice, the system will show me this amount on which date it is paid, right, and also it will automatically convert the main activated currency amount over here and will give me this total figure accordingly when a point of sale invoice is also generated in the system. So as you have seen that I have given an overview how our module works, and how by using our module users will be able to enter this point of sale order related payment amount partially by using different activated currency, and the system will automatically convert the figures, the amounts, the total amounts based on their currency rates. Okay, so if you will guys if you will have any kind of question, then please don't hesitate to ask us. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.